Yeah. Alright, so today we're gonna be making a cup of tea. Yeah, man. So when you rise up in the morning, you make yourself a cup of tea. And with what's going on, we're gonna make a cup of tea. We're gonna put couple slices of lemon. So adding a couple slices of lemon, couple cloves of garlic, and what you wanna do is you wanna make a cup of tea. You know, you wanna detox a little bit. You wanna build up your immune system a little bit, and you wanna clear up your throat. Yeah, so I make a cup of tea. Throw in a couple of garlic in there, and this ginger was already clean. What you wanna do when you clean your ginger, you scrape the side. You don't wanna lose these parts. You wanna keep those. So put a couple slices of ginger. Yeah. Mash up this little bit. Yeah, so mash up that little bit. So we're gonna put all this in a pot. Then we're gonna put it on our stove and boil. A little bit of cayenne pepper. Put a little cayenne in there. And then we now use sugar, we use some honey. Yeah, put a little honey in there too. Rise up in the morning, make a cup of tea. Yeah. So, I mean, you can put anything you want to put in your tea. Just don't forget the lemon. Don't forget the lime. Don't forget the ginger. And definitely don't forget the cayenne. So, you want to mix up that. We'll mix up that and then we'll put it on the stove. Alright, so now we're going to put it on the stove. Yeah, so to make a cup of tea, just go and boil it and stir it. Yeah, so you boil it, you stir it. Yeah, so now Mr. Liquor detoxing and also liquor virus protection. Yeah. And just forget your day started. Cup of tea. Yeah, man, as I said, today we're making a cup of tea. So, what you want to do, so when you boil it, so you look after you boil it. You understand, you get rid of your lemon, them change color, your garlic, and you can smell it. Yeah, so, as I said, look at detoxing, look at virus protection, get your day started. So you don't want to throw anything away. You want to just do like that. Take the stuff out. Nice cup of tea. Awesome. What you have to lean it to the side. Then do like that. You get a nice cup of tea. Yeah, just like that. Nice cup of tea. So that's the deal, you understand? Cup of tea, get your day started, little virus protection, little antivirus, and that's it. Yeah, man, thanks for watching Crazy Creative Kitchen. Cup of tea in the morning, get your day started.